Right now, trillions of dollars are being reshaped between two of the most powerful stores of wealth in history, gold and crypto. One has survived for 5,000 years. The other didn't even exist 15 years ago. So here's the big question. In 2026, which one actually makes you richer? In this video, I'll break down the gold versus crypto comparison, explain why gold is still a wealth builder, despite wild crypto volatility, and show you how smart investors are positioning themselves for the future. Stick with me. This might change how you think about money. Is your money safer in gold or in crypto? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I break down big financial trends in a simple, clear, and no BS way. Today, we're diving deep into gold versus crypto, the 2026 showdown. Analyzing real investing trends in 2026, separating hype from reality. Understanding why gold still matters in a world obsessed with digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll know when crypto makes sense, when gold is the smarter play, and how to balance both like a pro investor. If you like deep, advanced financial insights explained clearly, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's get into it. Gold or crypto? One has 5,000 years of history, the other is only 15. Let's start with the foundation of this debate. Gold has been a store of value for over 5,000 years. Empires have risen and fallen, but gold has always retained value. It doesn't depend on the internet, electricity, or government approval. Crypto, especially Bitcoin, is only about 15 years old. It represents innovation, decentralization, and a new financial system. But that also means it's still experimental in many ways. Here's the key difference. During economic crises, like inflation spikes or banking failures, gold prices tend to rise. But during the same periods, crypto often becomes more volatile, sometimes crashing before recovering. Drop a comment right now. Do you trust 5,000 years of history or 15 years of technology? Let's talk about volatility. This is where crypto shines and burns people. Crypto can make you rich fast, but it can also wipe out your savings just as quickly. A 30 to 50% drop in Bitcoin isn't unusual. Meanwhile, gold rarely moves that drastically in a short time. This is why institutional investors, like hedge funds and central banks, still heavily prefer gold. They don't want wild swings in their balance sheets. Imagine investing $100,000 in 2024. In Bitcoin, your portfolio might double or drop by half within months. But with gold, growth would be slow and steady. If you're investing in crypto, never put in money you can't afford to lose. Treat it like a high-risk asset, not a savings account. Have you ever experienced a big crypto gain or loss? Tell me in the comments. Inflation is quietly stealing your money, but one asset has stood the test of time. Governments keep printing more money every year. More money chasing the same goods means prices go up. Your purchasing power drops, even if your bank balance looks the same. This is where gold shines. Historically, gold protects wealth during economic uncertainty. Crypto, on the other hand, is still evolving. Sometimes, crypto moves with the stock market instead of acting like digital gold. Think of it this way. Gold equals financial insurance. Crypto equals financial rocket ship. Many investors keep gold so they can sleep well at night, while using crypto for high growth potential. A smart portfolio in 2026 includes both gold for security, crypto for upside. Here's where things get interesting. Crypto is incredibly accessible. You can buy it instantly on your phone, transfer it across borders in minutes, and use it in digital ecosystems. Gold, on the other hand, is different. It's harder to store and insure, but that physical nature is what makes it secure. Let's break it down. If you want fast transactions, innovation, and digital finance, crypto wins. If you want long-term wealth preservation, gold wins. If you could only hold one for the next 10 years, which would you pick? Here's what advanced investors are actually doing in 2026. They are not picking sides. They are balancing both. Here's the typical smart money strategy. 60–70% in stable assets like gold, real estate, or index funds. Gold for long-term security. Real estate for steady value. 10–20% goes into growth assets like crypto and tech stocks. This gives you upside without gambling your future. The rest stays in cash or other investments. If you're new, start small with crypto and build your gold over time. If you're advanced, use gold as a hedge and crypto as a speculative play. Smart investors don't gamble, they balance. Build wealth, not stress. So, let's recap. Gold is proven, stable, and a true long-term wealth builder. Gold is proven. Crypto is innovative, high risk, high reward, and still evolving. High risk, high reward. The smartest investors in 2026 are using both strategically. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. In the next video, I'll break down Bitcoin versus real estate. Where should you put your money in 2026?